I'm very happy to introduce you this day. Good news for you. If you're afraid of being a trader, if you're afraid of trading, if you're afraid of, I mean, looking for money online, like be a trader, this is good news for you, man. Listen to this good news. Listen. Being a trader is not easy. You have to analyze graphics. You have to analyze the trends of, I mean, the money, the trends of cryptocurrency, anything. Many analysis, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, many things that you're afraid. Don't be afraid now. We have a solution for you, man. We have a solution. We have a solution. I'm John Gobolo. I'm a trader. I'm a pro trader, and I made a software to help you learn quickly how to be a trader within 4 hour training. Only 4 hour training. 4 hour training. You can be a trader with my software. Let me show you my software. Let me show you. I'm happy to show you this called MixerTrade. We have 4 software. We made it for you to learn quickly how to make trading on forex, how to make trading on cryptocurrency, how to make trading on bond, and many instruments. You can be a trader quickly. We have 4 software. The first one I'll show you called MixerTrade. MixerTrade is, it can mix some trading at same time, spot trading and the forex trading. It's mix it. It's a great strategy. You never seen that before. You can see that before. Never seen that before. So I show you like that. Look, you can see the page of the screenshot of the page of the software. We have the software. Let me show you software directly. Let me show you the software directly. Okay, guys. Okay. We have a software here. It's made with Microsoft Excel. Easy to use, easy to download it, easy to check it and make your trade easily. Look here. You can click on that button. And we have especially, this is especially, we have a cryptocurrency trading. Is mix it with forex and spot trading. You can use exchanger and you can use broker and make the same trading at the same time. We have calendar, especially calendar for cryptocurrency to know you the trend when the market is bullish or when the market is bearish. We have this secret for you. You cannot find this somewhere else. Only in this strategy you can find it. Look, we have many. I mean, 12 cryptocurrency is that take it to make your trading. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more than this. It's only this mixer trade we can make full trading at the same time, and you can earn more than 50% 50% per week. I mean 50%. You can do it. You can do it 50% per week. That's great, man. That's great. Look at again. We can show you another software. We have Logia Spot, especially for spot trading, and we have big strategy with Logia Spot, and we have to show you the second page of screenshot of Logia Spot trading, and we have two. We can only plan for bot. We have to plan for bot, Logia Booster bot, especially for you can have some many parts of how to trade yourself, how to launch your bot on any exchanger. You can do it easily. And we have Logia Trade, especially for forex trading. Logia Trade. We have Logia Trade. This is good strategy. You can never find it somewhere else. No, you cannot find it somewhere. is only on our strategy. We call it double strategy, double Logia trade. Logia trade. It's called it Logia trade. We can only subscribe to our channel YouTube. It's called Diafou TV. I'm John Gobolo. I'm pro trader, and I will help you be a pro trader within 4 hours training time. Only 4 hours training time, you will be trader. Don't care about graphics. Don't care about the fundamental analysis. Don't care about, technical analysis. We have software. You will be a trader, guy. Be a trader with us. Our company is called PST Trading, PST Academy. We have to show you many things, many secrets, and you will be a trader within no time. No time to wait. PST Trading, no time to wait. Subscribe to our strategy.